Hey kids, back again. What you're seeing here is what I've finally had to admit that gonna have to try the plate design. I thought, maybe the screen or the helix would be just cool and pump out a whole bunch more than we'd be expecting, but no. Those who have gone before know better than I. But if we take a look here, I've drilled out that one right there to 5/32, and this is tapped at 1/4. Then we have 5/32 for null plate, 5/32 quarter for negative, 5/32 null, quarter 5/32 for a positive, null, negative. Yeah, I'm only going to try 7 plates because I want to see what it puts out. I want to do a measurement on it and see if this is worthwhile. But I tapped out all of those 1/4 inches so I can take this thing apart and put it back together. Right now, those little yellow strips that you see in there are zip strips that have the tops and bottoms cut off. They're about 1 millimeter thick. So we're going to see if I'm too close and if this will actually fly or not. Back in a few, kids. By the way, today's program, or today's HHO production, is brought to you by Los Lobos, the Dixie Dregs, Jamestown, Chris Whitley, and many more. Here we go. New design. Wonder what those are for. We'll see. Like that. Or like this. In fact, I think we'll try this instead. It worked once. I think it just got out of alignment. And I widened the holes here for pass-throughs. So maybe this will be better. Alright, here we are. As you can see, I've got the plates. Let's try it again. Positive, neutral, negative, neutral, positive, neutral, negative. So, I got polarities on the outside. You can see that I've got just the world's most fabulous connection there. And that's why when I go over here, my battery charger, I'm setting it at 2 amps. Let's put it back to just charging. And now let's plug in. Charger says about 4 amps charging. Again, charging at 2 amps. Let's look at the plate. And there's not a lot of activity. The bubbles that you see on it are from a prior test. Because look up here at the top. There's no activity. Nothing whatsoever. So, that being the case, I'm going to set this puppy to charging, and then let's see what this puppy does. Light goes out, but boy howdy, we got some production going on there. You'll notice there's a skime on the water. I'm thinking that's because I had to use tap water. But it seems to output a little bit. See here, there's a little bit coming off the bolts. But not much. Otherwise, it's all going between the plates. And between the plates, what do we got? We got some major activity going on here. This looks like it'll kick the butt off the mesh and the helix. So, we'll give it a try. I've got to figure out how I'm going to do the leads in. And I'm also thinking about making more plates so I can be stacked all the way across. Instead of taking up that small space taking up the entire space across with a post on this side and a post on that side. We'll see.